Is your dog suffering from sudden, uncontrolled seizures? It's terrifying to witness, but there are several natural ways you can help manage seizures at home. I'm going to share my top home remedies that may reduce the frequency and intensity of your dog's seizures. Seeing your beloved dog collapse, lose control of bodily functions, chomp their tongue or gums, it stops your heart. But you don't have to feel helpless while your dog seizes. You can take some simple, affordable home treatment steps that studies show calm the nervous system and may lessen seizure activity. First, adjust their diet. Certain ingredients may encourage seizures, like high-sodium foods or artificial additives. Switch to all-natural, low-sodium diet options with omega fatty acids from fish that support brain health. Providing just 2 fish oil capsules daily could make a noticeable difference. Second, keep a seizure diary detailing any potential triggers like weather changes, unusual activity or foods. Look for patterns around seizures happening more frequently under similar circumstances. Then you can try to avoid exposures when possible. Third, try natural nervous system relaxers. There's evidence that chamomile, lavender essential oils, or an over-the-counter bark rescue remedy couple help relax dogs pre and post seizures. Diffuse oils around them or apply topically with gentle massages. Finally, ask your vet about anti-seizure medications or CBD oil derived from hemp. These more aggressive treatment options may be necessary for persistent, violent seizure cases to restore quality of life. While frightening, seizures don't have to negatively impact your dog's health or happiness if you arm yourself with natural tools to calm this nervous system disruption. Implement a combination of dietary adjustments, trigger reduction, calming oils and medications as needed. With time, hopefully both you and your beloved pup can take a deep breath when seizures strike.